Hello friends. So welcome to this third video of how to create your website using Weebly series. If you've not seen the first two videos, I'll request you to first check out those two videos. In this video, we would be particularly discussing about how I can create new pages and how I can hide them in the navigation, how I would be able to create such drop downs in the navigational links, and we would also discuss about the website structures. Now first of all, let me start with the website structures. See, what is a site structure? We can also call it as a website architecture. It simply refers to how your website is designed or how the various pages on your website are connected. Like there are these three individual pages, and this page is connected to management books, and management books is further connected to the page of marketing books. See, this is very important, a website structure from the purpose of SEO, which we would be discussing in the subsequent videos to come. So basically there are three types of website structures. One is hierarchical model. So what is a hierarchical model? This is the most oldest form or the common type of structures which are used on the website. It is also called as a tree structure. See, there is the home page. Now beneath the home page there are two pages now, product and contact us. Within the product page there is management books and novels. Now within the management books there is marketing books and other kind of books. So it simply means there is a parent page with a broad set of information, and it is further categorized into the you can call it as child pages with detailed information. Then there is a sequential model also. In the sequential model, as the name says, this allows users to browse in a sequential manner. Sequential simply means that we are moving in a sequence order, whether going forward or coming backwards. Now third kind of model is the matrix model. So this type of model was popularly used in the early years of internet, where many relevant links were provided of various topics. You click on the topic and people would be able to go to that page. It is not used anymore. Generally you find this sequential and hierarchical models are used in the website design. So let me move ahead with it. Now let me talk about that how we can add pages like this. Suppose I have created a products page. Within the products page we are having two types of books categories, management books and novels. Now I want that when somebody just click over here on the products page, they generally get these two options, whether they are interested into management books or they are interested into novels. So what I have done, I have created two new pages, one page of management books and one page of novels. One way is I create a page and I hide that page in the navigation. I have made this page hidden in the navigation. I'll come out. And similarly, like novels, I've created this page of novels. It is a blank page and I have hidden this page in navigation too. Let me come out of it. See, as you will see, I've hidden this page in the navigation. Over here you will see I is shown with a cross over it. It means it is not visible to anybody. So this sign is visible in front of these two pages only. And even in this management, this marketing books, a category which I've tried to create within the management books, I'll hide this also in the navigation. So let me create one new page. Suppose there is marketing books. There is one more page which I'm creating for human resource HR books or human resource management books. I am hiding this one also in the navigation. I don't want a header to this page, so no header, and I'll click on done. I need maybe one more page, so let me just click over here, a standard page, and I want this page for, suppose, FINANCE, finance books. I'll hide this in navigation too. Would click on header, no header, and I'll click on done. So now I have these different pages. It is like home, product and contact us. Then there's the management books not visible, a human resource not visible in the navigation, this novels and marketing books, this is also not visible in the navigation. If I would go into any of these pages and I'll click on I'll untick hide in navigation, you'll see what would happen. These pages would start appearing in the navigation bar. I don't want these to appear in the navigation bar, so I'll just click on hide in navigation. Now let me just go to this products page. So what I've simply done, I would click over this button. See, what I want, that when somebody is clicking on the products, the person is going into the onto this page where they are able to find two sections, management books and novels. So a person can click on this button of management books, would click on the link. I have linked. See, I'll click on unlink over here. I'll show you how I have linked. A person would click on this link, then a standard page. So all the pages that I had created in this website, all would be visible. I want a person to go to management books page where the management books options would be listed. Like you want to go for marketing books, finance books, operations, or human resource books. Once this is done, I'll come out. Then I'll move to this page of management books. On the left side, I have all the pages opened. Once I'll click that, see, on this page I have these three buttons: marketing books, finance books, operations books. I have not created the page. Suppose it is, I'm just changing the button name over here. Suppose this is HRM books, human resource management books. So for the marketing books, I'll click on this, I'll click on link, and I would link it to a standard page, and it would be of marketing books. Click outside, then finance books, link to a standard page to the finance books where I would be listing the books of finance. After that, HRM books, link to the standard page and to the human resource management books. Let me publish this site and let us see now how the things look like. Now let me be very clear over here. The website is currently empty. I am just discussing about how you can use different features in Weebly and what kind of structuring you can go for. So I am just sharing different options with you. So if somebody is clearing on this products page, a person would be finding these two options, management books or novels. So I will click on management books. So once a person is clicking on the management books, these three buttons are appearing. See, you can decorate this page, or you can think of the layout of this page as per your own liking. There could be pictures, the text related to management books, then pictures and text related to finance books, and so on for all other different type of management books which you want to put over here. Suppose somebody is clicking on the finance books, a person would be going to a page where different finance books would be listed. This is empty right now. No products are put over here. Now there is nothing in the navigation bar over here. So all those pages are not visible over here, and I don't want people to see that page. I just want people to go into this products page and then make a choice depending upon what they are searching for. So I've just given them a sequence over here. Similarly, if I am into novels, so somebody would click on this novels link, the person would go to the page of the novels, and within novels there could be like different genres of novels. Pages could be created. Suppose I am having like different clickable links related to different type of genres of novels, and if a person is clicking on a particular genre, all those relevant novels could appear, and these pages could be created using the affiliate links also. Now there's one more thing, how to create the drop down. Drop down means, suppose I, rather than listing the products within pages like this, if I come to the product, so there is a drop down in which it is showing me maybe management books and novels. When I'm taking my cursor on the management books, it is giving me the further options, like whether I'm talking of HR books, finance books, or marketing books. How to do that? So let me show you. In Weebly, I am going to pages again. Under pages, I want all my pages to be stacked in between the navigation bar of products. So in products, I want two, first of all, links in the drop down. One is management books and the other one is novels. So what I'll do, I would take my cursor on this management books and would not click anything. As soon as I'll take my cursor over there, these three dots would appear. I would grab it from these three dots and would just pull it to a bit towards the right side, and just underneath this products tab I'll drop it. So what would happen, you will see it is giving me a feel that it is coming under products tab. I'll show you again. See this novel, as soon as the cursor changes, I would left click and I would grab it and I would bring it under the products tab like this. So what would happen now, just check this out. As soon as you would be going to the products, let me publish it. When I am going to this products page, I'll bring my cursor over here. So management books is appearing, but novels are not appearing. Why so? I'll tell you the reason. Because it is still in the novels page, it is still hidden in navigation. I'll tell you what. See, it is still hide in navigation. I have not unticked it, and I've willfully done it in order to tell you if this option is selected, the page would not be visible anywhere. And this is still the navigation bar. It would become a part of the navigation only in the form of this menu. See, now novels is also appearing over here. I'll move out. Now under the management books, now I want this human resource, finance and marketing books should appear. So what I'll do, I'll take my cursor to this particular page. First of all, I'll open it. I'll unhide it from the navigation. I'll unhide it in the navigation, and I'll also unhide these two in the navigation. After that, once these three dots would appear, I would take it and I'll put it under the management books like this. Similarly, the finance books, this page of finance books, but I don't want to be a sub page of it, so I'll just bring it out like this. You can create as many subcategories as you want under it, and again under the management books, the page of marketing books. I just need to unhide these in the navigation, and this one also. Now let me publish this site again and let me show you now how it looks like. So website is published. Let me open it in my browser. Now whenever you would be taking your cursor over the products page, so there are two of the options over here, management books or novels, and in the management books there would be option of different categories that you had created. If somebody would click on in any of these pages, the person would straightforward move to that page. So this is again a tree type of a structure. Now let me show you one more thing. I am saying somebody would go to products. Under products they'll type they'll find two types of kind of options, management books and novels. Under management books there are three types of books. They'll find human resource, finance and marketing books. But I want that under marketing books a person is further getting option of selecting a category, like maybe digital marketing books, journal marketing books, it could be like business and analytics books and so on. So how to do that, I'll just show you an option. Suppose I create a new page, a standard page, and I would name it as digital, digital digital marketing books. I don't want a header over here, so just let me select no header. I'm not hiding it in the navigation, so done. And let me create one more page and let me call it as a retail management books. Retail management books. Again, I don't need any header over here, and done. Now I want that these two pages of digital marketing books and retail management should come under this book, this page of, or should come in this page of marketing books. So what I'll do, I'll take it under this marketing books and I'll drop it over here. This would become a sub navigational menu of marketing books like this. If I want to create further categories in them, I can do that too. Let me publish it. Go to my website. Let me refresh it. And now when you would be going on to products, management books, marketing books, see further option would be there. So this is up to you that how much long structure you want to create in this hierarchy. So this was all for today's video. I hope you would be able to create a stunning website using this very simple kind of options in Weebly. Thank you.